Okay, I'm filming. Check out this car wash. Yeah, you're licking our balls, bitch.
That's so cool.
We're going in.
More graffiti, look at this.
Damn, that's not still open. It can't be.
Fuck the police. Oops, I swore.
Well, that is a car wash, huh? I don't think it's open.
That's so cool.
I know, we look like idiots. Okay, that's it. Can you actually go through there?
Yeah, I think you can.
Really? No, you can't. There's that thing.
Rain gutter.
Go fuck a dog, fags. And the devil and other graffiti at a car wash here on the Akwesasne Reservation. And blaze it. That's how we roll on Akwesasne, yo. What I'm saying, dog? This is the most heavily graffitied car wash I've seen in a long time. Yeah. Look at our balls.
I love it.
Bitch. Terrible. This is big boys. This big boy. Streetwear. I like streetwear. And that's the story of that graffiti car wash.